Are you building Power BI reports on your own? Well, I did a lot, but these days, most of the times I'm building Power BI reports and Power BI data models together with other colleagues. So you come at a point that you need something to have version control or easy deployment and that kind of stuff. Well, a lot of things changed over the years at that point. So at these days now, it's really useful to have Azure DevOps services to help you with a professional Power BI development environment. So my name is Hylke Peek, and I give a session about Power BI integration with Azure DevOps. And I will show you with a lot of demos how you can set up a professional Power BI development environment. And this is at the Past Data Community Summit 2021. And as you know, it's free, it's online. So there's actually no reason not to register for that conference. So check out Past Data Community Summit 2021, and hopefully I see you there.